Today we are excited to announce the newest update to WP Rocket. Meet WP Rocket 3.19. Our latest major release includes optimizations alongside some improvements to the WP Rocket interface. So, let's walk through the changes you will see with WP Rocket 3.19. We will discuss our preload fonts feature update, automating the option and moving it to a new tab, and our updated features, automated DNS prefetch for external domains and removing it from the WP Rocket interface. Ready to see how these smart improvements can boost your website's performance? Let's dive into the details of WP Rocket 3.19. Let's start with our first major enhancement, the new automated preload fonts feature. But before we explain what's new, let's understand why font loading is so important for your website. Here's what typically happens when someone visits your website. The browser starts displaying text using a default font, then discovers it needs to load your custom font, and finally switches to it. This creates what we call flash of unstyled text, or FOUT, FOUT for short. Not only is this visually jarring, but it can also cause your layout to shift, hurting your Google Core Web Vitals scores, specifically your cumulative layout shift grade. That's where WP Rocket 3.19's enhanced preload fonts feature comes in. We have reimagined how this works to make it both more precise and easier to use. Instead of manually identifying and entering font URLs, WP Rocket now automatically detects which fonts are used above the fold on each page and that need to be prioritized. It then preloads only these critical fonts, both for mobile and desktop versions. While the original manual editing feature was found in the preloading section, you can now find the new option by navigating to the Media tab and scrolling down to the option for Preload Fonts. By preloading only the fonts that are actually needed, we're not just improving the visual experience, we are also optimizing your website's resources. What's great about this update is you don't need to be a technical expert or spend time configuring complex settings. Just enable the feature, and WP Rocket takes care of the rest. Now let's talk about our second major enhancement, pre-connecting to external domains. Think of it like making a phone call. Before you can talk to someone, your phone needs to establish a connection. The same thing happens when your website needs to load resources from other domains, like fonts from Google or videos from YouTube. Without pre-connect, your browser waits until it discovers these external resources before starting to establish connections. This adds unnecessary delay. With pre-connect, we tell your browser in advance which connections it'll need, so it can get them ready early. Here's what's new in WP Rocket 3.19. We've completely automated this process. Previously, you had to manually identify and enter domains for pre-connecting. Now, WP Rocket automatically detects which external domains your site uses and handles the optimization for you. In previous versions of WP Rocket, the manual option to prefetch DNS requests was in the preloading section, but now will be removed since it is handled automatically in the background. This feature joins our list of features enabled by default while using WP Rocket, automatically benefiting your website as soon as you activate the plugin. The automated preload fonts feature ensures your text appears smoothly and quickly, while automating pre-connect to external domains prepares the connections needed for external resources in advance. Together, these two updates continue our goal of creating a simple and streamlined process for improving website speed that your visitors will notice. By automating these complex optimizations, we are helping ensure great performance across all devices. While results can vary depending on your specific website, these enhancements typically lead to improvements in several key areas: better largest contentful paint scores, layout stability, perceived speed, and overall page load times. These updates to WP Rocket 3.19 continue our commitment to making complex optimizations accessible to everyone. You do not need to be a technical expert to benefit from these powerful features. They just work. Ready to experience these improvements for yourself? Update to WP Rocket 3.19 today. Or, if you haven't tried WP Rocket yet, get started with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Your website's visitors will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making your website blazingly fast. See you later.